Hey guys, welcome back to another little episode of Sort of George. What I've been doing in the shed is sorting out the connections for the washer bottle. I'll show you that in a second. And then I'm going to get on with the washer bottle and the pipes. Yeah, and then hopefully I'm going to take it out for a quick run, see whether or not the speedo works. Yeah, give it a bit of a shakedown. That'd be nice. Sorted, George. Right, just sorted out the power for the washer bottle. I'm going to just plug that straight into the existing live, so that way then I haven't got to mess about with any of the original wiring, and that will just slide straight down the bolt that holds the bracket on for the washer pump. So there's the earth. Jobbed. Now what I've got to do is sort out the the fluid pipes. So unfortunately the F piece that goes from sort of 4mm down to 3mm, this one here, decided to disintegrate on me, unfortunately. Well, it is 50 odd years old, so I'm not surprised. So yeah, unfortunately I've got this, but they are like 4mm each end, unfortunately. So I've got to what I want to try and do is put one piece into another. So as you can see, they're just slightly different sizes. So I think a bit the old boiling water, heat this one up, slide that one in there, yeah, and then we'll sort that out. Right, sorted, George, here we go. Right, that's that jobbed, sorted. What I've done, let me get that crap out of the way, there you go, bit of boiling water, heated that up, and then what I've done, I've sort of peeled that back a bit, and I've put a bit of super glue in. As you can see, it's all over my fingers, but never mind. Yeah, so that ain't coming apart, which is good. And there's t'other one as well. So jobbed. That ain't coming apart either. So what I can do now is just slice this about yay length, and this end then can go on to one end of the Y piece, that can go on the other end of the Y piece, and then the remainder of this cable will go from the washer bottle up to the other Y piece. So yeah, and then the smaller one, obviously I can trim that down, and that go up to each of the washers that go up to the screen. So because they slide open lovely, these ones, but the bigger ones, well, it's like putting your fist in a bucket, you know, it just don't work. Right, so what I want to do here, obviously, I mean, this is just a little old generic universal windshield washer pump rather. What I want to do is put the earth on like that, so that that's now going to be earthed up against the body, and it's going to be out of the way. The wiring's going to be out of the way, so that's good. So that can sit on there. Right, what I'll do is I'll do up the earth first. If I just plug that on there, because that goes on like so, just place it on there for now, touch that to the battery, there you go. So I know the earth is good, so that's good. Slide that on, like so. That goes on top of there. Clipped in, plug the live straight in there. So now put the battery on, turn the ignition on, and it should go wee. That's good enough for me. Sorted, George. Right, let's do this pipe. I think what I'll do is get I'll get a a small little cable tie, and I can cable tie this around there, and that will keep that there. And then I can do another one down here, just to keep it a bit more secure. That's not too bad. That's nice. Right, water. Job. Right. Touch this on the live of the battery, see how we get on. Oh. At least it gets the person behind wet. Jobbed. Just out for a quick run, as you do. Speedo's working. Lovely. I think I might have over tightened the steering wheel because it's a bit on the squeaky side now. But look at that, it's working. That's fab. I got to say, that was absolutely brilliant. She drives lovely, really does drive nice. What can I say? It's a Mopar. I need to say nothing else. Thanks ever so much for tuning in to Sort of George again, and I'll see you on the next one. Laters. you.